So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the group by statement. So what is meant by the group by statement and why it is used, is it important? So everything we are going to cover in this video guys. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's talk about the group by statement. Okay, so yeah, the statement will be like the group by statement groups rows that have the same values or the similar values into the columns. Okay, so that is a simple statement. Using that we have understood that what is meant by the group by statement. Okay, it is also often used with the aggregate function as count, max, min, sum, average, that we have shown in the previous video. Okay, so if you're not yet right now about that the aggregate function, just you can go and check out our video. Okay, so let's talk about the group by statement with a simple example. Okay, so just this is a table in which there are the two types of the columns. So in this column there is a mode through which the payment has done, and here is a column in which there are some values like 12 or 34, okay, and 56 and 45. Okay, so if we talk about how it works, so it works like, first of all it will calculate the UPI part. UPI is common, so here it will make an UPI part in which it will see that how many times the UPI values are repeated. So here is an 4 times, so it will just 12 into 4 it will make, and just the output will be like here 48. Okay, now we are going to see about the hands-on experience how to do it. So just I will show you first of all our table. So yeah, okay, so this is our table. Our table looks like this. So I want to summary in this part as the payment mode as well as the price. Okay, so just for that here is a simple syntax. Here you can see that select mode. Payment mode means what we have to select. We have to select the payment mode. It is an column, and we are going to use here aggregate functions, and here we are going to use the operator as the sum, and we are going to do the total of the price column as the total, and from the sales table in which group by payment mode column. Okay, so just this is our query looks like this, and just we have to run it, and here you can see that what a amazing output is here in the front of us. Okay, it has created here simply that credit card and xyz total, and UPI xyz total, cash xyz total. Okay, it has calculated all these things like credit card here 60,000, and here repeated credit card at the last here 5,000, and here the addition will be 65,000, and the output will be like credit card 65,000. Okay, this is how the group by clause works. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.